Hey everybody, welcome back to Lego Homemade, and today I will be showing you how to make end cards at the end of your video. And this is a little bit of a random video, but I've been having a lot of questions on how to make them, especially from Miles Studios, and I just thought I'd show how to. So first you're going to want to go on your YouTube screen on your computer, if you have one, and you want to click your little channel icon up here, and click Creator Studio right here. Okay everybody, so once you get into Creator Studio, you can look at all like watch time minutes, views, subscribers, and you can look at a lot of other stuff like live streaming and your community. So let's say I want to add end cards for my newest video, the trench run. So I'll go ahead and click Edit, and it'll bring me to this screen where I can do enhancements, audio, cards, and subtitles. But what we want to do right now, excuse me, is end screen and annotations. So we'll want to click that, and it brings you to this place, and you might find that, whoa, it starts 20 seconds before your video ends. And that is because the end card takes place in the last 20 seconds of your video, none before. So to get started, you want to click Add Element, and you can promote your channel here, or add a video, or promote another channel. So first, we'll go ahead and promote my channel, because it's the cool one. We'll click Create, and then you have this little thing, and if a viewer clicks on it, then I'll bring you to your channel. So let's say I want this up here. And then next, we can add a video or playlist. And you can do like the most recent upload that you've uploaded, the best for viewer, which is the best video on your channel that suits your viewer, or you can choose one. And I would recommend best for viewer because it can help them, the viewer, know your channel and like your content better. So create element, and now it has this little video. This will be the range. You can shrink it a little bit, I guess, or not. And then you can make it grow, but I guess that's the minimum, so I'll put it up there. Then next we'll go Add Element and do Promote Another Channel. And I already have these links open for IL Studios and Art with Ollie, so we'll go ahead and use the hyperlink right here that I've already copied, so Control C, and we will go here, Control V. And then we can add a little message. I'm just going to put IL Studios and create element. And now it is right here. So we'll go ahead and move that right over to my channel, over there. I'll move that a little farther down. Then next, we'll go to Art with Ollie, Control C, and then Control V, and we'll go ahead and put Art with Ollie, create element. And it'll be right over here. And then when you're done, you can just press save. Thanks for watching my tutorial on how to make an end card, and I hope this is useful for you. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time on Lego Homemade. Bye!